Welcome to LG Craft, where we explore transforming your passion for planters into profit. We're thrilled to have you join this journey where creativity meets entrepreneurship. Whether you're a seasoned gardener, a DIY enthusiast, or simply someone who loves the beauty of plants, this guide will help you turn your passion into a thriving business. Here, you'll discover valuable insights, practical tips, and inspiring ideas to help you craft unique planters that not only beautify spaces but also generate income. In a world where sustainability and creativity are increasingly valued, crafting decorative planters presents a fantastic opportunity to merge artistry with entrepreneurship. This guide aims to empower you with the knowledge and tools you need to successfully launch your own planter business. From identifying your niche and honing your skills to marketing your products effectively, we'll cover every essential aspect to help you transform your passion into profit. Let's embark on this exciting adventure together and cultivate a flourishing business that reflects your love for plants. If you've enjoyed this video up to this point, we're confident you'll love what's coming next. Please consider subscribing to our channel if you're new here, so you never miss an update. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and fellow plant enthusiasts. Your support helps us create more amazing content and grow our community. Thank you for being a part of our journey. Identifying your niche. The first step in turning your passion for planters into a profitable venture is to identify your niche. Consider what type of planters resonate most with you and your potential customers. Are you drawn to rustic wooden designs, modern ceramic styles, or perhaps eco-friendly materials? Research current trends in home decor and gardening to find a gap in the market. Understanding your target audience. Whether they are urban dwellers looking for space-saving solutions or gardeners seeking unique designs, will help shape your product offerings. By honing in on a specific niche, you can position yourself as an expert in that area, making it easier to attract customers who share your passion. Developing your skills. Once you've identified your niche, it's crucial to develop the necessary skills to create high-quality planters. This might involve taking workshops, watching online tutorials, or practicing different crafting techniques. Experimentation is key. Try various materials, styles, and methods until you find what works best for you. Whether it's mastering the art of painting, learning woodworking skills, or understanding how to work with ceramics, each new skill will expand your creative possibilities. As your expertise grows, so too will your confidence in producing unique, marketable products that reflect your personal style. Creating a business plan. A well-thought-out business plan is essential for turning your passion into a profitable venture. This plan should outline your business goals, target market, pricing strategy, and marketing approach. Consider how you will source materials and where you will sell your planters, whether online, at local craft fairs, or through retail partnerships. Setting a budget and understanding your expenses will help you determine your pricing strategy, ensuring you cover costs while still making a profit. A solid business plan not only provides direction but also serves as a valuable tool when seeking funding or partnerships down the line. Sourcing materials. The materials you choose can significantly influence both the quality and profitability of your planters. Look for suppliers who offer sustainable or unique materials that align with your brand's values. Consider local sources to reduce shipping costs and support your community. Bulk purchasing can also lower costs, allowing you to maintain healthy profit margins. Additionally, think outside the box. Upcycling can be a cost-effective way to source materials while appealing to environmentally conscious consumers. The more effort you put into sourcing high-quality materials, the more your products will stand out in a crowded marketplace. Building your brand. Creating a strong brand identity is crucial for attracting customers and establishing credibility in the market. Your brand should reflect your passion for planters and resonate with your target audience. Develop a memorable name, logo, and consistent visual style that conveys your unique selling proposition. Tell your story. Share your journey, your passion for gardening, and what inspires your designs. This personal touch can create a deeper connection with potential customers, encouraging them to choose your products over competitors. Social media can be a powerful tool for building your brand, allowing you to showcase your creations and engage with your audience. Setting up an online store. In today's digital age, having an online presence is crucial for reaching a broader audience. Setting up an online store can be straightforward with platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or even your own website. Ensure that your online store is visually appealing, easy to navigate, and includes high-quality images of your planters. Clear descriptions, pricing, and shipping information are vital for a positive customer experience. Consider implementing SEO strategies to improve your store's visibility on search engines. By creating an efficient online shopping experience, you can cater to customers who prefer the convenience of shopping from home. Marketing your products. Effective marketing strategies are essential for driving sales and growing your business. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest, which are visually oriented and perfect for showcasing your planters. Create engaging content. Think tutorials, behind-the-scenes looks at your crafting process, and beautiful images of your products in various settings. Consider collaborations with influencers in the gardening or home decor niches to widen your reach. Additionally, don't underestimate the power of local marketing. Attend craft fairs, farmers markets, or community events to showcase your planters and connect with potential customers face-to-face. Engaging with your customers. Building a loyal customer base is key to sustaining your business in the long run. Engage with your customers through social media, newsletters, and personalized communications. Encourage feedback and respond promptly to inquiries. Showing that you value their input can foster a sense of community around your brand. Consider offering loyalty programs or discounts for repeat customers to incentivize future purchases. Sharing user-generated content, such as photos of customers' plants in your planters, can also enhance engagement and showcase your products in real-life settings, driving further interest. Expanding your product line. As your business grows, consider expanding your product line to attract a wider audience. This might include creating planters in various sizes, colors, or materials. You could also explore complementary products, such as potting soil, gardening tools, or decorative accessories. Seasonal items can be a great way to keep your offerings fresh and relevant. Always listen to customer feedback to identify potential new products that align with their preferences. By diversifying your product offerings, you can create additional revenue streams and keep your brand dynamic and appealing. Measuring success and adjusting strategies. Finally, regularly assess the success of your business and be willing to adjust your strategies as needed. Use analytics tools to track sales, customer behavior, and marketing effectiveness. Understanding what works and what doesn't will help you make informed decisions about where to focus your efforts. Be open to experimenting with new ideas, whether it's a different marketing approach or a new type of planner. The ability to adapt and evolve is essential for long-term success, and staying connected to your passion for planters will keep you motivated on this exciting entrepreneurial journey. Celebrating your successes. As you embark on this journey of transforming your passion for planters into profit, it's important to take moments to celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Acknowledging milestones, such as your first sale, positive customer feedback, or successful participation in a local market, can provide motivation and reinforce your dedication to your craft. These celebrations not only boost your morale, but also remind you why you started this journey in the first place. Document your progress and share your achievements with your community. It can inspire others and create a supportive network around your brand. Remember, every step forward is a step toward realizing your dream. Thank you for watching this video. We put a lot of effort into preparing it, and your support means the world to us. If you enjoyed the content, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Your engagement helps us continue to create more valuable videos for you. We appreciate your support.